Hey guys, welcome back to another It's Raining episode. And very late intro, but I promise you it's gonna be worth it. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, good old shad. Whew. The rain is gone. Hopefully, I won't jinx it, but we got shad. Got plenty more shads. And, did I bring my knife? Yep, I brought my knife. My dad is on the other side. We're gonna do some catfishing today. Hopefully. Hopefully. He is crappie fishing. I am going for the big dog, right? Big dogs. And I brought quite a few stuff with me today because we got a long day ahead of us. So hopefully we can get some fish going here. Oh, you already know we are floating for some giant kitties. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. And again, the water is really shallow. So, let me see what happens. We shall see. Get the sinker in here. Oh, it went down. It went down. Bobber went down hard. Oh, there's fish. There's fish in there. Sheesh. It didn't stay down though, it just like yanked it. And I got a big chunk of meat on there too, because, you know, I want the big cats. I don't want the little ones. I want the big dogs. Big ugly, that's what we always say, big ugly. Piece of my meat here, real quick. Come on, kitty cat. No, you're in here. Oh. Got hit. Got hit. The line jumped twice. Oh, he's touching it. Yeah, turn. Ooh, big ass channel. Oh, It's huge. Oh, dude, it's a flathead. Nice, nice. Yep. That's what I was looking for. I knew he was here. Dude, I didn't turn on my GoPro, but it's a flathead. I knew he was here. Oh, shit. I knew he was here.
Oh, flathead.
Yeah, flathead. Oh, dude, he's huge. Oh, dude, he's massive. Oh my gosh. Here, no, I got.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, let's go. I knew he was here. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. Yes, yeah. That's what I was looking for, man. Oh my god, look how fat it is. Oh, dude, it's heavy as hell. Oh my gosh. Hell yeah, dude. I just saw you land that big bass too. Dude, oh my gosh. I was looking for her too. Yeah, I want to pick, yeah. I was like, bro, it's the condition. I know she's over there or over here. She wasn't at the calm boulder spot, so I moved over here. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, she's okay. She's in here. Woo! Yeah. Whoa. This is exactly what I was digging for. Yep. Oh my gosh, dude. All right. Yep, she's good. It's an old girl too. Yeah. Her stomach got something in there. It's crazy.
She ate a lot.
Yeah. We did it. The beast that we were looking for. Look how big it is. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's huge. The monster living at the spillway. Oh, dude, I can't even hold her up. I don't want to hold her up too long too. Unbelievable. I was just starting to doubt the whole, like, man, you know what? Just don't fish here. I came over here with my dad. I threw like a crappie jig for a little bit. I'm like, nah, I got to keep trying. I went ahead, cut the shad up, and I threw it right, as soon as I threw it right in the ditch, kaboom, like it hit it so hard, I didn't even have time to set the camera. Oh, dude, she's huge. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go ahead and let her go now. One last look, we're gonna let her go. Look at that. That is a complete monster from this river. Massive freaking fish. All right. Yeah, dude. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, chop by. Yeah. Oh. No, not there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there she goes. That is what I came here for. I came here for the massive freaking river monster. And that's exactly what I was looking for. All day, all morning, I should say, like 4 hours. On the other side by the boulders, because I was like, you know what, they might be hiding under the thick stuff, the hard stuff. It wasn't there. She was out here by the rapid with my dad was crappie fish, which made complete sense. So, oh dude, I'm freaking shaking.